Namaskar students. Now in the continuation of our chapter cash flow statement, I am going to explain you the second activity, cash flow from investing activity. Students, investing activity means the activities which are related to the purchase and sale of non-current assets and investment. Here the investment means other than the marketable securities. So let's start. What items to be considered in the investing activity? If there is a sale given to us in the question, sale of non-current assets, sale means inflow of cash. Inflow means the cash is increasing. Whenever the cash is increasing, it will be added. Similarly, if purchase of non-current investment given to you, non-current assets, non-current, or you can say fixed asset. If purchase is there, it means outflow. Outflow means decrease of cash, so it will be deducted. Similarly, besides the non-current assets, then sale of non-current investment. Sale means plus. If purchase is there, then purchase of non-current investment minus. Apart from all these items of the sale and purchase of these assets and non-current investment, if interest is received, students, if we are investing our money into some long-term investment, obviously the interest will be received on those investment. So this interest is also a part of the investing activity. Received means inflow plus. Similarly, if dividend is received dividend, again this becomes our investing activity. When dividend will be received? When we are purchasing shares of another company, yani this company is purchasing the share of another company, then the company is receiving dividend on the shares. Similarly, if rent is received, again inflow of cash, or in case repayment of loan and advances received, then it will be plus. Here the repayment of loans and advances received means company has given loan to the others and that loan is we are receiving back. So receiving back means inflow of cash, so that will be added to the investing activity. Then final result. Whatever the result is coming, if the result is coming in plus means you can say cash or net cash flow from. If the result is in positive, flow from, or if the result is in minus, negative result, then you will use used. Cash flow used in investing activities. From और used में क्या difference है student? From means the sources, from wherever the cash is coming, increasing the cash. Used means applications of the cash, where the cash is being used in the different items. Maybe the purchases are more than the amount received from the sale, or these items are receiving. Now in case the adjustment points are given to you in the additional information related to the non-current assets or non-current investment. Adjustment point means like sometimes you are being given depreciation charged on the asset, sale of that particular asset, purchase of particular asset. So profit or loss on any asset at the time of sale, then how will you treat those items? So I am taking different cases related to the adjustments given in the question. Case number 1. Suppose we have machinery given in the balance sheet. The amount of the machinery in the current year is given 80,000 and previous year is given 1 lakh. What will you consider? If we are comparing the current year figure with the previous year, 1 lakh to 80,000. 1 lakh to 80,000 means it is increase or decrease. Decrease means you can consider the sale also. But remember student one thing. If there is no information about the sale, that the sale has been made at a profit or at a loss, we cannot consider the decrease value as sale. Here the decrease value will be taken as depreciation. But remember one thing, if depreciation is already given in the additional information, then you have to prepare an account of machinery. So here no information. If no information is there, then how will you treat it? This will be taken as decrease, means minus 20,000. So depreciation 20,000 will be considered in the operating activity. What will you do in the operating activity? It will be added to the operating activity. Remember what we have learned. Depreciation is a non-cash item, and all the non-cash item to be added to the net profit before tax in the operating activity. So in the operating it will be added. Now look at case number 2. Again balance sheet, 2 years figures given to you, 2020 and 2019. Machinery balance we have, suppose 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Beside these opening and the closing balance, information is given in the question. The depreciation charged during the year rupees 20,000. Imaginary figure I am taking student. When you are giving an additional information along with the opening and closing balance, then there is a need to prepare machinery account. So see the solution student. Must to prepare machinery account in the working note. Remember आपको कैश फ्लो के साथ वर्किंग नोट्स भी प्रिपेयर करने पड़ेंगे. How to show it? We know that machinery is an asset. Previous year balance means this is opening balance, and current year amount is given, this is closing balance. Means last year machinery was of rupees 1 lakh. So asset always having debit balance. In the debit side, opening balance will be taken as to balance brought down 1 lakh. Then closing balance will be taken in the credit side by balance carried down 2 lakh. After keeping the opening and closing balance, depreciation charged. Remember the concept of the depreciation chapter of class 11. What entry will be made of charging depreciation? Depreciation account debit to machinery account, means the value of the machinery will be decreased, so it will be shown to the credit side. Ledger posting. Depreciation हम कहाँ लेते थे? Credit side पे. Actually depreciation is going to be debited if you are making the journal entry. Depreciation debit to means credit side machinery account 20,000. Close this account. You will get the balancing figure. Total is coming 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Here the balancing figure you will get, and this is considered as bank. Bank means purchases. This balancing figure will be considered a balancing figure. This balancing figure you will get 1,20,000. And what is this? This side machinery debited means more machineries has been purchased. So और machinery purchase किया तो entry क्या बनेगी? Machinery debit to bank account. यहाँ से आपको ध्यान रखना है, by making this machinery account you will get this amount, and this amount is considered as purchases of machinery. Now what is the treatment? Why we have made all these things? We have got it, this purchases of the machinery. Beside this, Depreciation. What is the treatment of depreciation? During the current year depreciation charge, it will be shown to the operating activity, added in the operating activity. And purchases, how these purchases will be shown? Purchases is an outflow of cash, यानी कैश डिक्रीज हो रहा है, कैश डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो ये कहाँ जाएगा? इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में ये 1,20,000 आपका हो जाएगा माइनस. प्लीज टेक केयर. By making this machinery account, you will get this balancing figure which will be considered. If the balance is coming in the debit side, it will be considered as purchases. Purchases means outflow of cash which will be shown to the investing activity as subtraction. Now case number 3. We have machinery balances current year or previous year, and information is given in the question. First information: a piece of machinery costing rupees 30,000 having depreciation of rupees 5,000 sold for rupees 18,000. And one more information is given here. Depreciation charged during the year, depreciation charged during the year rupees, you can take 20,000. 20,000. We have two information. What I told you, if the machinery balances are given, suppose 1 lakh and 2 lakh. When the balances, opening and closing, both the balances are given along with the information, then there is a need to prepare machinery account first. Prepare machinery account. Start with the opening and closing balance. So two balance brought down. This is given 1 lakh. And closing balance we have. So write down by balance carried down 2 lakh. Afterwards go through the information. Here B information we have already done in the previous case. Go through the previous case. What I told you, depreciation charge during the year means current year depreciation will be shown to the credit side of machinery account, being the value decreases of the machinery, and it will be shown to the operating activity by adding. So this we can do it. So second information is depreciation charge during the year. Simply write down by depreciation account 20,000. Then come on the first information, a piece of machinery. We are talking about only a part of machinery costing rupees 30,000 having depreciation of rupees 5,000 sold for rupees 18,000. Students, costing means the price at which that machinery was purchased. यानी जब हमने उस मशीनरी को परचेज किया था तो उसकी कॉस्ट हमारे पास क्या थी? उसकी कॉस्ट थी हमारे पास 30,000. फाइन. बट उस पर डेप्रिसिएशन अब तक लग चुका है 5,000. सो डेप्रिसिएशन हम क्या करते हैं? माइनस करते हैं. यू विल गेट बुक वैल्यू फ्रॉम हियर. बुक वैल्यू इज 25,000. यानी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस दे रखा है और डेप्रिसिएशन दे रखा है तो डिडक्ट डेप्रिसिएशन from the cost price, then you will get book value. Compare the book value with the sale value. Sale is given 18,000. सो 18,000 में हमने उसे सेल किया. What we were expecting 25,000, as per our book we have to get 25,000, but actually the sale was realized in 18,000. It means less than the book value, so there is a loss by 7,000. So we have to show this loss as well as we have to show the sale also of the machinery account. How? सेल हम 18,000 में कर रहे हैं, सो राइट डाउन बाय बैंक. व्हेन एसेट इज सोल्ड व्हाट एंट्री विल बी मेड? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू एसेट अकाउंट, यानी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी. सो मशीनरी इज क्रेडिटेड. व्हाट अमाउंट इज गेटिंग? 18,000 ऑफ सेल. व्हाट अबाउट दिस लॉस? इफ यू रिमेंबर्ड डेप्रिसिएशन चैप्टर, लॉस हम हमेशा इस साइड पे लेते थे, यानी लॉस की एंट्री क्या होती है? लॉस डेबिट. लॉस विल बी शोन टू द profit and loss account, but here we are talking about company. So companies are preparing the statement of P&L, and in bracket you can show loss by 7,000. If the asset is sold at a profit, obviously the profit will be on the opposite side. Profit होगा तो यहाँ आएगा, loss है तो यहाँ आएगा. Then next, just close it. You will get the balancing figure. What total is coming, student? Find out. It is coming 2,45,000. So 2,45,000 minus previous balance was, last year balance was 1 lakh. So what difference is coming? The difference is the balancing figure. You can say again bank. Bank means purchases. During the year purchases are made. So ये हमारी है balancing figure. What amount is coming? 1,45,000. 1,45,000. Now what is the purpose of making this machinery account? क्यों बनाया स्टूडेंट्स हमने ये मशीनरी अकाउंट? सी many things are there we need to consider in the investing activity. First of all, this is the purchase. परचेज को आप कहाँ लेकर जाओगे? परचेजेस विल बी शोन टू द इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में ये क्या हो जाएंगी? माइनस आउटफ्लो ऑफ कैश. व्हाट अबाउट दिस बैंक? दिस बैंक मीन्स सेल. सेल को आप कहाँ लेके जाएंगे? 18,000 विल बी शोन टू द इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी प्लस. व्हाट अबाउट दिस लॉस? लॉस के लिए हमने क्या पढ़ा था? लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ असेट will be added to the operating activity. Here I am writing operating activity, loss will be added. See, three things are there we need to concentrate by making this machinery account. Purchases minus from the investing, sale plus in the investing activity, but loss will be added to the operating activity. Now case number 4. (2020-2019) machinery 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Informations are given further. First information, a piece, one more thing I am going to take here, provision for depreciation. Student, in this case I am taking one more thing along with the machinery balances, provision for depreciation. You must have heard in the previous class 11 that accumulated depreciation or provision for depreciation. When this method is followed, this is a method of recording in which depreciation charged on the machinery will not be shown to the machinery account, but it will be shown to the separate provision for depreciation account. So in case if in a question provision for depreciation or you can say accumulated depreciation balances are also given to you, suppose 60,000 and 40,000, and information is also given, suppose the information is a piece of machinery costing rupees 30,000 having depreciation rupees 5,000 sold for rupees 18,000. When machinery as well as provision for depreciation balances are given to you, then you have to prepare two separate accounts simultaneously. These two accounts are machinery account and provision for depreciation account. Regarding machinery account, the opening balance is on the debit side and closing balance on the credit side. But when you are showing the balances of provision for depreciation, provision is a liability. So liability always having the opening balance on the credit side. So balance brought down, opening balance means last year balance 40,000 and closing balance which is given in the current year 60,000. Please take care of this thing. दोनों में अपोजिट जा रहे हैं बैलेंस. ओपनिंग एसेट का यहाँ आ रहा है बट प्रोविजन का ओपनिंग बैलेंस यहाँ आ रहा है. सी फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन इज अ पीस ऑफ मशीनरी कॉस्टिंग रुपीज 30,000 हैविंग डेप्रिसिएशन 5,000 sold for rupees 18,000. Here the sale value is also given to us 18,000. Sale means asset decrease, machinery decrease. So it will be on the credit side by bank. Sale को हम कैसे दिखाते हैं? Bank debit to machinery. So bank will be written over here and in bracket mention sale. Afterwards we have to find out the profit or loss arises from the sale of this machinery. How can we find out profit or loss? Student, when provision for depreciation balances are given to you, it means company is maintaining that method in which the depreciation every year is showing to the provision for depreciation account. So when at the time of sale of machinery, accumulated depreciation on that particular part of asset will be transferred from provision for depreciation account to machinery account. I am simply saying that जब किसी एसेट की सेल की जाती है, जैसे यहाँ मशीनरी की सेल हो रही है, तो उस पे लगने वाला डेप्रिसिएशन हम प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट से मशीनरी अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करते हैं, जिससे हमें प्रॉफिट और लॉस का मालूम चले. So look at here. On this part of the machinery, depreciation was put by 5,000. This 5,000 will be transferred from provision account to machinery account. Look at here. यहाँ से यहाँ ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. But at the time of transferring, what entry will be made? To which account it is transferred? Write down the name of that account. To machinery account. Fine. And at the time of writing in the machinery account, from which account it is transferred? ये किस account से transfer हुआ? This is transferred from the provision for depreciation account. So mention here provision for depreciation account. Take care at the time of writing what should be written in the particulars column. Now here you can see that 30,000 minus 5,000. Book value is coming 25,000. Yani cost minus depreciation, this is coming book value. Compare this book value with the sale value. Profit or loss? Sale is less than the book value, so there is a loss. How to write this loss? By statement of P and L. So the loss is coming again by 7,000. दूसरा तरीका ये है कि अगर आप ये फाइंड आउट नहीं करना चाहते माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन, यू कैन जस्ट ऐड 18 प्लस 5, व्हाट इज कमिंग 23, और 30,000 हमारी क्या थी, इसकी कॉस्टिंग थी. 30 माइनस 23 अगेन 7,000 इज कमिंग हियर. सो मेंशन दिस इज लॉस. नाउ कंप्लीट दिस अकाउंट, क्लोज दिस अकाउंट. You will get the balancing figure, get the total of this side. It is coming 2,30,000. Then 2,30,000 and the balancing figure is coming by 1,30,000. This balancing figure means this side means purchases. To bank you can say purchases. फाइन, यहाँ से आपने परचेजेस निकाले. नाउ क्लोज दिस प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट ऑल्सो. विच साइड टोटल इज बिगर? दिस साइड टोटल इज बिगर 65,000. सो द डिफरेंस इज कमिंग ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. क्रेडिट साइड मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन इज चार्ज. जब हम डेप्रिसिएशन लगाते हैं हर साल का, तो वो करंट ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन कहाँ निकलता है? क्रेडिट साइड पे। या तो क्वेश्चन में गिवन होता, बट क्वेश्चन में हमें वो डेप्रिसिएशन ना देकर पर्टिकुलर मशीनरी पे जितना डेप्रिसिएशन लग रहा था वो दिया था। तो इसको बनाने से हमारे पास कौन सा डेप्रिसिएशन आएगा, विच इज चार्ज टू द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. So statement of P&L. What amount is coming? 25,000. This is the balancing figure. Now again, see the impact on the cash flow statement. कौन कौन सी आइटम का इम्पैक्ट हमारा कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में पड़ेगा? Look at here. Purchases 1,30,000. Purchases means investing activity, it will be deducted being outflow. Sale of machinery. Sale of machinery means again investing activity but plus. Investing activity में क्या होगा, ये प्लस होगा क्योंकि इनफ्लो ऑफ कैश है. What about this loss? 7,000 loss will be added to the operating एक्टिविटी. वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. जो भी हम चीज़ें यहाँ कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ मैं, ये सारी माइंड में रखनी है कि ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीनरी विल बी added, and from this account we have got the balancing figure. This 25,000 is the depreciation charge during the year. Again it will be shown to the operating activity by adding. यानी ये करंट ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में प्लस होगा. केस नंबर 5. Machinery and accumulated depreciation. We have given balances in 2020 and 2019. Suppose 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and here 40,000, 60,000. Along with this, informations are given. Suppose first information, a piece of machinery costing rupees 30,000 sold for rupees 18,000. Second information, depreciation charged during the year rupees 30,000. Fine. How will we do this question? See, make two accounts because both the balances are given to us. Machinery and accumulated, which is also known as provision for depreciation account. How will we do? Put the balances first. Opening balance, so to balance brought down. Closing balance by balance carried down. Opening balance of accumulated depreciation, credit side by balance brought down. Previous year balance is opening balance. Then closing balance, balance carried down. Current year balance 60,000 is the closing balance. Afterwards we have to work on these information. Student, case number 4 or case number 5, what is the difference? In case number 4, machinery, part of the machinery costing 30,000 having depreciation, यानी जो मशीनरी हम सेल कर रहे थे उस पे लगने वाला डेप्रिसिएशन हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन था कि उस पे 5,000 का डेप्रिसिएशन लग रहा था, जिसकी सेल हमने 18,000 की. हमारे पास क्या चीज़ मिसिंग थी? हमारे पास करंट ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन मिसिंग था, डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज ड्यूरिंग द करंट ईयर. बट इन दिस केस डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज ड्यूरिंग द करंट ईयर इज गिवन टू अस 30,000. सो आई थिंक इसमें कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही. ये डेप्रिसिएशन हम यहाँ शो कर देंगे बाय स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. दिस इज द डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज ड्यूरिंग द करंट year. What about this machinery? जो पार्ट हम सेल कर रहे हैं उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस है, उस पर अब तक कितना डेप्रिसिएशन लगा, दैट इज मिसिंग इन द क्वेश्चन. वी हैव ओनली कॉस्ट, वी हैव नॉट गिवन द डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन दिस part. So this is the missing figure which we can take out through by making the accumulated depreciation. यानी जब हम इस अकाउंट को क्लोज करेंगे, प्रीवियस केस में क्या था, ये मिसिंग था और ये गिवन था हमें. अब इस केस में क्या है, हमारे पास ये गिवन है बट वो वाला डेप्रिसिएशन मिसिंग है जो पर्टिकुलर उस पार्ट पे लग रहा है जिसे हम सेल कर रहे हैं. सो यहाँ से हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे बैलेंसिंग फिगर मशीनरी अकाउंट में. मशीनरी अकाउंट, दिस इज बैलेंसिंग फिगर. कितना आ रहा है स्टूडेंट, 70,000 माइनस 60, 10,000. इस 10,000 को आप यहाँ ट्रांसफर करेंगे. 10,000 क्या चीज़ है ये उस पर लगने वाला डेप्रिसिएशन है. कौन से अकाउंट से ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. फाइन. सो ये चीज़ आपके पास नहीं थी. पिछले क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन था तो हमने ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर निकाला. इस क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन है तो हमने ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर निकाला. व्हाट अबाउट दिस मशीनरी कॉस्टिंग 30,000. नाउ वी हैव 30,000 was the cost price on which the depreciation charged 10,000. It means again the book value is coming 20,000. 30 में से 10,000 इस पर डेप्रिसिएशन लगा, 20,000 की बुक वैल्यू जिसे हमने सेल किया. सो सेल कैन बी शोन दिस साइड सेल. यहाँ लिखना है, सॉरी आपको बैंक और ब्रैकेट में सेल लिखिए बिकॉज एंट्री इज बैंक डेबिट टू मशीनरी. सो 18,000. देन प्रॉफिट और लॉस, 20,000 वाली हम सेल कर रहे हैं 18,000 में. सो देयर इज अ लॉस बाय 2,000. लॉस विल बी शोन थ्रू स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L in bracket mention loss 2,000. Then close this account. See, balancing figure will be coming here. This is termed as bank. Bank means purchases. What amount is coming? Just check. 2,20,000 plus this 30. 2,30,000. 2,30,000 minus 1,30,000. Fine. So working notes are essential in these when the informations are given to you, otherwise you will lose your marks. There will be the marks on the working notes. Now items are sale. How sale will be shown? Added to the investing activity. Loss will be added to the operating activity. Purchases will be shown to the investing activity by deducting, means outflow. परचेज कर रहे हैं तो कैश जा रहा है, सेल कर रहे हैं तो कैश आ रहा है, प्लस. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस करंट ईयर्स depreciation? This current year depreciation will be added to the operating activity. Now at last, one important point related to investing activity. Please give a note. If goodwill is given in the question, both the values are given, means previous year or current year, and in case goodwill is decreasing, that is considered as goodwill written off. Decreasing means decreased value is given. How you can say decreased value? Suppose 2 years figure given, current year and previous year. Last year it was 10,000 and this year it is 8,000. So decreasing by 2,000. This is decreasing means we can say goodwill written off. Goodwill written off will be added to the operating activity. First thing. Second thing, if goodwill is increasing, suppose in the current year is more in comparison of the last year. So this is the increase in case of the goodwill. Then goodwill increase will be known as purchase of goodwill. Purchase of goodwill means outflow of cash. So this will be considered in the investing activity. Outflow means it will be deducted in the investing activity. Take care of this thing. यानी increase हो रही है अगर goodwill तो investing activity है, और goodwill decrease that will be known as written off will be added to the operating activity. Now I am going to take some questions related to investing activity. Question number 27. In this question, machinery and accumulated depreciation. Both opening and closing balances are given. Beside these, during 2018-19, machine costing 30,000 with accumulated depreciation 12,000 was sold for rupees 21,000. This kind of the adjustment we have already discussed. So see, make two accounts simultaneously. First is question number 27, page number 5.140. Make machinery account. And accumulated depreciation account. In machinery account debit side, to opening balance of machinery balance brought down, and here closing balance of machinery balance carried down. And in accumulated depreciation, opening balance will be on credit side. So write down here by balance brought down, and closing balance is on debit side to balance carried down. So debit, credit. Machinery is an asset, opening balance debit side, accumulated depreciation is a liability, opening balance on the credit side. Look at this question again. Here the opening balance. How do you know opening balance? Previous year, at the end of the previous year, it is given 2 lakh. So this was opening balance, and at the end of the current year, balance is 2,40,000 closing balance. So I am writing here 2 lakh opening balance, closing balance 2,40,000. Similarly, opening balance of accumulated depreciation 32,000 and closing balance 36,000. Afterwards, look at here students, machine costing 30,000, accumulated depreciation 12,000 was sold for rupees 21,000. Sale is given 21,000. So sale will be shown to the credit side of machinery account by bank. In bracket mention this is sale by 21,000. Then accumulated depreciation 12,000. When accumulated depreciation account is prepared, remember the amount of depreciation which is put on the machinery which we are going to sell, it will be transferred from accumulated depreciation to machinery account. From this account to that account, the depreciation will be transferred. So this is the depreciation. To which account we are transferring? To machinery account, 12,000. Machinery account, and here you have to write down by accumulated depreciation account 12,000. Then afterwards we have to find out the profit or loss. How to find out the profit or loss, students? See, sale value 21,000 on which the depreciation was 12,000 and the cost price was 30,000. So 30,000 minus depreciation 12,000. So it is 18,000. Compare book value with sale value 21,000. Here the sale value is more. It means the company is earning profit on sale of machinery. And the another way to find out the profit or loss, just add sale value and the depreciation this side. It is coming 33,000 and machinery cost was 30,000. So sale or depreciation मिला के 33 है और machinery cost is 30,000. It means there is a profit of 3,000. Write down profit through statement of P&L. 3,000. In bracket mention this is a profit. Now close both the accounts. What total is coming? 2,70,000. 2,73,000. 2,73,000. Deduct this, you will get balancing figure, which is considered as purchases. So purchases are coming by 70,000. Balancing figure. Here the balancing figure will be considered as the current year's profit, which will be shown through statement of P&L account. This is provision for depreciation, or you can say current year depreciation coming by 16,000. Fine, students. Now still these are the working notes. What important is, according to the question they are asking compute cash inflow and outflow. Still we have to find out the final result of the investing activity. So I am making the cash flow from investing activities. What items to be considered? Look at purchases, we have taken out 70,000. Purchases means outflow. Outflow means minus. Sale we have to consider 21,000. Sale, purchase are the part of the investing activity. Then afterwards, yeah, these are the two items. So I'm going to show here sale of machinery. Sale of machinery by 21,000. Plus, understood, no sign means plus. Purchase of machinery, this is an outflow. So purchase of machinery 70,000. Outflow means minus. Bracket indicates negative. Now the final result is coming 49,000. But remember 49,000. Here the bigger amount, it is in minus. So the final answer will also in minus. Minus means the uses are more. यानी कंपनी ने इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में पैसा ज़्यादा लगा रखा है. So here we can write cash used. Now it is not written cash flow from. It will become cash used in investing activities. Now question number 29. Calculate cash flow from investing activity from the following information. We have plant and machinery, non-current investments, land, additional information, depreciation on plant and machinery, plant of book value. This second point is also related with the plant and machinery. Plant book value 50,000, sold at a loss of 20,000. Land was sold at a profit of 50,000. This land point was related to the land. So let's start. Question 29. We have to prepare here plant and machinery account, student. Plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery, the opening balance is given. Opening balance 2018 7 lakh. So 7 lakh balance brought down, and then closing balance by balance carried down given 9,50,000. Afterwards we have information depreciation charged on plant and machinery 70,000. So depreciation will be shown to the credit side by depreciation account 70,000. Then in this question one more information is given, that is plant of book value 50,000 sold at a loss of 20,000. We don't have the value of sale, यानी कितने में सेल हो रही है वो प्राइस तो नहीं दे रखा, बट इतना गिवन है कि लॉस पे हमने सेल आउट किया 20,000. So book value is also given. Book value minus loss, then you will get सेल वैल्यू. सो 50 को 20,000 लॉस पर हमने सेल किया, यानी कितने में सेल किया? 30,000 में. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग द सेल वैल्यू बाय बैंक. दिस इज सेल 30,000. Fine. And loss also will be shown to this side. Statement of P&L, in bracket write down loss 20,000. Afterwards you will get the balancing figure this side, and balancing figure is obviously purchases. Balancing figure. So what is coming? Let's get the total. 10 lakh 70,000 minus 7, 3,70,000. Afterwards, another information is related to land. So prepare land account. We have opening and closing balance. Prepare land account. Land is an asset, so opening balance again on the debit side, balance brought down, and here balance carried down. Brought down. Opening balance we have 3 lakh and closing balance we have 1 lakh. And the land information is given. Land was sold at a profit of 50,000. We have profit. We don't have the sale value. So profit should be on which side? This side. Normally जब हम loss credit में ले रहे हैं तो profit किस side पे लेंगे? यहाँ लेंगे. Through the statement of P&L, in bracket mention this is profit. So profit we have in the additional information 50,000. Just close this account. 50 and 3 lakh. 3,50,000. 3,50,000, and balancing figure will be known as sale. So by bank, this is sale. Balancing figure, it is coming by 2,50,000. So by making these two accounts, what we have concluded? We have taken out the purchases, outflow of cash, which will be deducted in the investing activity. We have sale 30,000. Sale means inflow, plus in the investing activity land. Again we have sale. Sale means inflow, so will be added in the investing activity. Now let me see any other information is there or not. We were having the three items: plant and machinery, non-current investment, and land. Regarding plant and machinery and land, we were having the additional information, so we have made the account. But what about non-current investment? We have only opening and closing balance. See what change is coming in the current year. Last year the balance was 60,000 and current year 1 lakh. So 60 to 1 lakh, increasing by 40,000. Increasing means understood purchases. So purchases of non-current investment is an outflow. Cash is going, so it will also be deducted in the investing activity. So I am making the final result of the cash flow from investing activity. See, cash flow from investing activities. Sale of plant and machinery. Sale of plant and machinery. We have taken out sale 30,000 plus. Then purchase of plant and machinery 3,70,000 minus. Then land sale. So write down sale of land 2,50,000. Sale means inflow, increase हो रहा है, plus. Then non-current investment. So investment purchase. Write down purchase of investment or investment purchase. What amount was there? 60 to 1 lakh, it means 40,000. Purchase means outflow minus. So the final result is 1,30,000, and this is coming in minus because minus items are more. So answer is net cash used in investing activity. Next question number 31. Cash flow from investing activity. We have non-current investment 80,000 and 50,000. Previous year balance, current year. During the year, company sold 60% of its investment held in the beginning of the year at a loss of 10%. It means a part of the investment, that is 60%, you have to take out 60% of 80,000. It will come 48,000, and 48,000 investment sold at a loss of 10%. What does it mean? It means 48,000 and 10% loss, that is 48,100. So you will get the sale value which is coming 43,200. See, account will be prepared of the non-current investment, opening balance, closing balance, then sale value we have got it in this way, loss we have got it. It will be shown through the statement of P&L. Fine. Then the balancing figure will be taken as purchase of non-current investment. We have sale as well as purchase from this account. Sale minus purchase, you will get the cash flow from investing activity. Now the last question of investing activity, 32. We have investments in land, 10% long-term investments, plant and machinery, goodwill, and information related to the plant and machinery account given to us. What we have to do regarding plant and machinery, we will make account, opening balance 2018 2 lakh, closing balance on the credit side, then depreciation charge during the year 60,000. I am showing you the solution, student. Look here, machinery account will be prepared, opening balance, closing balance, depreciation charge during the year 60,000. And how to get the profit or loss? Look at here, 40,000, 12,000 is the depreciation. It means the book value is coming 28,000, but 28,000 was sold for rupees 35,000. It means sale price is more than the book value. So the difference 7,000 is the profit. Profit will be shown to the debit side of statement of P&L, 7,000. In this way, you will see the balancing figure is coming 1,88,000. That is the purchases, and purchases means outflow of cash. What about the other items? See, investment in land. Previous balance 6 lakh and then 16 lakhs. So it means increase. Increase means outflow. This is purchase of investment. Outflow means minus हो जाएगा ये 10 lakh से. Then long term investment 4 lakh to 2 lakh 50,000. This is the sale. Because investment पे depreciation नहीं लगता. If the value is going down, it means this is a sale by 1,50,000 plus. Plant and machinery we have already discussed. What about this 10% long-term investment? This is the return on investment. Return means the interest rate is given. यानी जब हम investment कर रहे हैं तो उस पे interest भी मिल रहा है. On which balance you have to calculate the interest? When there is no information, when the investment was done, date is not there, then consider always on the opening balance. So 4 lakh ka 10%, 40,000 interest received. Received means inflow. So this interest 10%, 40,000 will be added to the investing activity. Regarding goodwill. Goodwill is 15,000 to 80,000. This is purchase of goodwill. Please take care. Purchase of goodwill is an investing activity. Purchase means outflow. So the difference will be shown as minus. Purchase of goodwill will come by 65,000. After considering all these points, you will get the answer. Thank you, students.